Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing of my First Allure box. So I used to do a subscription box before. It was the BoxyCharm, and that was been a year. It's been a year, probably a year and a half that I stopped doing it. They were going through changes, but they weren't announcing it until later. And then I felt like I was getting repeated stuff. And everything was almost like it didn't make sense, you know? Like, I like it when they send boxes and things kind of make sense, like go together, I guess you could say. And this one, I felt like it was just throwing, and I was just like, I'm done. So I stopped, and I haven't done one ever since. And now I decided, okay, I'm gonna try something different, something that I haven't had. I've had Ipsy back in the days. I've had BoxyCharm, and I've had Walmart box, Target box. I don't even know if Target does a box anymore. So this time I said, I'm gonna try another one that I haven't had, which is the Allure box. So this box I will be unboxing, actually two of them, because when I signed up, I guess I signed up in the middle of February, so they sent me my February box and I got the March box. So this is monthly subscription. You can pay for the whole year, or you can pay for 3 months or every month. So I did the 3 month because I wanted to try it out, and if I don't like it, you know, I'm just gonna cancel my subscription. But I'm gonna see how it goes. I might just do 6 months just to see, but I might go back to BoxyCharm because I like the way they're doing it now. It's with Ipsy, so it's more choices. So we'll see. What do you guys think? Should I do Ipsy, BoxyCharm? I don't even know what it's called anymore. I think it's called Ipsy. I still get their emails, so I don't know. I'm kind of going back and forth. I also like the Fat Fun. I don't remember what it's called, but I feel like that one's very expensive, and they sent stuff that I don't think I'm gonna need. Like sometimes it's house stuff or shampoos and conditioners and things, or hair products, which I don't use anymore. Like, I use my favorite shampoos and conditioners now that are helping my hair, that I have non-toxic. So I want to do a subscription box that's more makeup and skincare. So let's go ahead and open this one and see what you guys think. So the box I'm going to open first is the February box, okay? So, where's my scissors? Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm just going to use my nails. Don't do that because it break your nail. Okay. All right, so, So this is the way it comes. Nicely wrapped, and then since it's my first box, it says you're in. Every month you'll get 100 in value, at least 6 products in each box, 3 or more full size, all selected by Allure editors. I love Allure because just Allure period. I love when they do their award-winning products, and they do their magazine to tell you who won like the best, you know, for 2023, 2020, whatever. So and it says exclusive offers up to 80% on beauty essentials, limited edition boxes, and more, and tips and tricks and things like that. That's what, so there's like a brochure, some other subscriptions. Oh, is this the FatFit one? No, this one's called GQ box. It's for guys, maybe? It says the GQ box makes a great birthday, holiday, corporate, or any kind of gift. It doesn't, oh, I never heard of GQ box. Have you guys? So it comes with the brochure telling you the products, you know, what you got in the box, and the prices and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put it down so I can show you, pull out as I show it to you guys. Okay, so the first product is the Happy Skin, and it's by Lush Cosmetics. It's an enzyme facial exfoliator. I love Lush. It smells like Palmer's cream. So I love them because they're natural, and they, you know, they're against animal cruelty and stuff like that. So I bought some of their stuff a while back. My son was into their bath bombs when he was younger, and I used to go in there all the time with him. He even got Christmas, one time, bath bombs for Christmas. So let's see what this says. So it says, Lush Happy Skin. You will love it. And some, what? And I can't even read. Enzymatic and physical exfoliator team up to make skin radiant. Pineapples, enzymes, and acids unplug pores and brightens, while the slightly sandy texture of tagua nut powder slouches away dead cells and grime. And it's retail value for $26 for 100 grams. And it says where to buy it, lush.com. So yeah, so looking forward to trying this. And the next product is the Ahava, I don't know. I'm Hispanic, so when I say ha, the H, you know, sometimes it's silent and sometimes you say it as ah, and sometimes you say it as ha, I think. I think it's silent. I don't know. I forgot. I left Nicaragua when I was 3 years old, so I mean 3 years old. When I was in 3rd grade, so so it's a time to hydrate. It says it's essential day moisturizer for normal to dry skin. Full size. Why would you love it? Cashmere throw. The moisturizer feels decadent and calming all the same time. It rubs in quickly, so it winds up feeling light on the skin. So let's see. Is it sealed? Okay. So I'm putting it over the other one. So it's a moisturizer. Feels great and it smells good. Okay, nice. Makes your skin nice and hydrated. Another thing that's great for travel, because you know a lot of times I don't like to take jars because they can break or spill. So this is a great way to travel, and hopefully it don't break me out. I have to see if it has tocoferroacetate because I'm allergic to tocoferroacetate. Okay guys, so one of the other products is the Commodity Milk fragrance. So it says this is bold. Why would you love it? This perfume's blend of marshmallow, tonka bean, and milk, and comforting like a vanilla streamer, but still manages to feel cool and grown up. I'm not a fan of vanilla perfumes if they're not. Sometimes, you know, when they mix them, like for instance Dior, sometimes they'll throw in vanilla, but it's not super strong. I'm not gonna spray it. It smells nice, like for somebody that likes strong perfumes and like warm perfumes, but this is not my jam, so I am not gonna waste it and spray it. But oh, it gave me a head rush. It's too strong. Oh. Whew. The last product is the reason why I did it is the Rouge Volupte. It's in French, you guys. I don't speak French. Shine Oil in Stick. So it's a lipstick, and it said, oh, I forgot to tell you guys how much with that little, did I tell you how much the lotion was? The body cream? No, I didn't. This right here is $78. 78. It's 2.5 ounces. Oh, geez. In this, I don't think it shouldn't have a value because it's, oh, it does. This is retail valued for the 100 ml, and this is not 100 ml, is $145. So if you buy the big bottle, and this little one is included in the box, I guess they said. So it's like a free one. I've seen it at Ulta. Okay. Oh, it gave me a head rush. And so this is the lipstick. What's in this? So it says why you love it. I like how they say that. This is exactly the beauty pick-me-up we need during the middle of winter. A dewy lip color that's every bit of gorgeous and luxe. Packaging. I love, I'm a sucker for packaging, you guys. Look how pretty. So I'm not gonna swatch it just because I want to do a picture of it, and I'll do it on my Instagram. So you guys follow me on Instagram at geriliz.l. I usually do giveaways on Instagram. I show a lot of reviews and products that I recommend that are great for you. So go on my Instagram to check out when I do the swatch for this one. So this one is $43. Where would you buy it? At YSLBeautyUS.com or Sephora or Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom's. That's where you can find it too. Okay, so that is the February box, and now we're gonna do the March box before my battery dies. Okay, so this is the March box, okay? I just opened it right now. I didn't peek, but I believe that some of them are, they send most of them the same, and I feel like they changed some stuff, like maybe if one or two things they changed, but most of them are the same. So they all come with this brochure, little, you know, informative brochure. They wrap it. I guess that one was in red because of February for Valentine's. So this is all the stuff that's in this one. So I'm gonna get it and show you guys. So you know what? I didn't even see if they have a name for it. Let me see the other one and see if it has a name for it. Like, you know how BoxyCharm would have a name, or Ipsy? Yeah, it does. So this one's called Light Up, which is this one. And then this March one is called Fresh Start. Okay? So let's open the first product, and it's by, I'm gonna kill this name. Solwasu? What? This is the First Care Activating, what is it? Activating Serum. First Care Activating Serum. What does that mean? All right, so this is what it looks like. I've seen this line, I think at Sephora. I might be wrong, but if you guys think I'm correct, please let me know. And if I'm not, let me know. So it says, why would you love it? It's Original's First, so it's actually the Solwasu's original. I'm so killing the name. Original's First Care Activating Serum is so popular that one sells every 10 seconds. Now the K-Beauty brand has updated its beloved prep step by adding antioxidants, ginseng, pampering serum that is chock full hydration, brightening ingredients. And it says that this is retail value at $89. And I'm assuming this is a gift because it's not $89. So it's for the 2-ounce bottle. It's yeah. So let's put it on here. Oh, it's like a jelly type of serum. I'm always a smelling type of, oh, very light. It almost feels like water. And it doesn't really have it doesn't have a strong scent. I don't smell anything. I'm actually smelling that cleanser from before. So yeah, so I'm gonna try it out, see what it does, what it's supposed to do. It says morning and night, layer your usual products on top. Okay, so that was that. So the other product is this, it says Perf Natural Lab Tokyo Clean Scalp Rinse. It's a scalp part shampoo, completely easy to use, rice and sake water rinse. It's a deep clean for scalp. It helps you wash away product buildup and hydrates while you use it. I won't be using it, unfortunately, because I am on my healthy hair regimen, and I don't want to mix products because I feel like it's what I'm using now. It's working for me. My hair is healthier, growing. I cut it because I got rid of all the damage that I had, and now when it grows, it's going to be even stronger, better, more hair growth. Look at all the hair growth. So I'm not gonna use it, but I'll keep it for like a giveaway or to give it to somebody, you know. And then it came with a sample of Libre. I think some people call it Libre or Libre from YSL. So that's that. I don't want to waste it because I already know what this one smells like. It's a really great popular fragrance, but I don't want to waste it. And then there's this right here, $19.99. It's a cream highlight stick. Okay. And it says $19.99 highlight stick in meal. While you love it, the creamy golden highlighter inside the stick gives you a shimmering sunny glow that looks natural and lasts through the day. Well, have you guys tried this product before? Does it last through the day? I don't know. I don't believe it until I try it. How do you open this? So it looks like this. It looks like this. Is it a twist? I don't want to break it. Oh, here we go. Oh, mother effer. Is that how? Oh, it's already broken. Oh, great. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay. I don't like that it doesn't roll down. It looks broken, but so what do you guys think? I like it. I like the glow it gives you. Nice. All right. Well, we'll see how long it lasts through the night, through the day. It says swipe the highlighter across your cheekbones and tap the color with your fingers. I did it already. And add a little extra anywhere you want to glow. And it's retail value $34. Did I tell you guys the retail value on that that scalp rinse? That scalp rinse, if you buy the full size, is $19. And I believe they sell the Natural Lab at Ulta or their website. Okay, so the next product is this, and I'm guessing this is considered a full-size product. This is considered full size, and this is a Strip Makeup Whipped Coconut Makeup Remover. Why would you love it? The texture of this Allure Best of Beauty, so it's an award winner. Award-winning cleanser. It's unlike other cleansers. It kind of melts into your palm, so it winds up feeling like freshly whipped cream. It smells so good, like coconut puree. It says it removes mascara. Even the tubing mascara is easy to come off, I feel. Do you guys feel? It says tubing mascara. To me, I would say waterproof, because tubing mascara, you just go like that and it comes off. All right, so the retail value for this is $28. You can find it at stripmakeup.com. So it looks like that. Let's see. Oh, it's not even sealed. Oh, it does smell good. It looks like a whip. I don't want to use it right here because I'm not by the sink, but can you guys see it? So it looks like a whip, what's it called? Cleanser. So hopefully it came out clear on the camera. I can't tell. And I need to hurry. It's not even getting dark, but the clouds are covering the sun. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it does smell nice. And it feels nice and soft. All right, so we're going to try that one out some other day. Or maybe tonight when I take off my makeup. Okay, the next product is this hyaluronic acid freshly pressed sheet mask. So it says this is this sheet mask locks in moisture and ingredients like hydration, hyaluronic acid. Look as dewy as if you've gotten a facial. It says watch a little TV, answer emails while you wear the mask. I'm so bad about wearing masks. I have some on my mini fridge and I don't make the time for it. I need to start doing that because it's so important to relax, you know, and put a mask on. So that's that in there. And then the last product is, okay. It's a cotton candy champagne blush lighter palette. So this is what it looks like. And let me get the info for y'all. So this is like I think they have like a main product. They put it on the front page. Like with the other one, it was the YSL lipstick, and this is for this. Beauty Bakery. Oh, it's Beauty Bakery. I know Beauty Bakery. Cotton Candy. They took them out of Ulta. Beauty Bakery Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Lighter Palette. Why will you love it? This palette, and you will get, what? And you'll get why formulas inside are called blush lighter. So this is what it looks like. Pretty. Really pretty colors. I'll do I don't know if I want to do a swatch because I might do it for a giveaway because I have so many blushes. I would hate to waste it. So fortunately I won't do a swatch. Well, this is so you guys can see it without the shine. So it just says it's a easy blend formula. The shimmer is subdued and the color payoff is sheer. So I'm gonna save it for like a gift or a giveaway. All right, you guys, so that was it. What did you guys think? Sorry that my lighting sucks right now. I was hoping for sun, but the cloud is covering the sun right now, so there's no sun, and it's probably 6 by now. Let's see, 5:39, and it should be like sunny, but it's okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to put the little tap on the little bell so you can get notifications when I do my videos. I appreciate you guys for still supporting me and being here. I try to get on here as much as I can, but it's just kind of hard with work. So I'm more on Instagram, but I will do my best to be on here more. Now that I have a subscription box, I can be on here more. All right, guys, if you have any other boxes that you love and recommend, comment down below and let me know. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.